I set out to find this secret beach in Thailand, but...
So we've had a little unexpected hiccup.
We're ready to leave that behind us and go check out Freedom Beach.
Yeah, it hasn't felt very free up until this point, has it?
So stick around and I will let you know whether this beach was worth all of the trouble getting there. And we have just gotten a scooter, so maybe you should do the honors.
Yeah, right. Crack it out.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if it fits.
This is what the street looks like. Time to head. Fire that baby up. Yeehaw! All right, let's do this.
Right, can you pop off? Man, it's f***ing flat as.
Not a good start to the road trip.
Yeah.
What should we do about it?
I'll go find a service station down there
Yeah.
and pump it up.
And I am now stranded in the middle of the highway because our tire was flat even though we just hired this scooter. So we're gonna go fill up the tire. Hopefully there's not a hole in there somewhere. Meanwhile, I have to walk up this highway here because Oscar took the scooter to be serviced about 500 meters from here.
So we've had a little unexpected hiccup. A full 2 minutes into our day's excursion. Thankfully, we managed to find some helpful mechanics who are changing it out as we speak. Check it out.
Luckily, this was just a minor hiccup in our grand adventure today, Oscar.
Don't speak too soon.
Yeah, and that was just a $7 repair, so very much.
That's pretty good. He did give us the feedback, the mechanic, that bike no good. So it's a little bit ominous.
But that was before the repair, correct?
No, it was just now.
Bike no good.
Yeah, he showed me all the ways it's not good.
Oh,
the
great.
springs are f***ed.
Let's hit Freedom Beach.
Ciao.
Ciao. We are now on our way down to Freedom Beach, and that bike has caused us nothing but problems today, Oscar. Would you agree?
Yeah, I would. It's been an experience, to put it mildly. We go a way that we didn't even need to go, and we get ticketed by the cops.
It is a bit of a rite of passage here in Thailand to get fined by the cops. And by the way, it doesn't matter if you have an international license, because Oscar does have one, but you need to have a Thai one. And if you don't, you get a hefty 1,000 baht fine, which is almost $30. So we're ready to leave that behind us and go check out Freedom Beach.
Yeah, it hasn't felt very free up until this point, has it?
Yeah, no freedom so far. The road up here is quite gravelly and it's a little more difficult to get to than other beaches, and there are no signs to Freedom Beach either. So you do need to check Google for that.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't look like a road coming to the beach. So we had to, follow the maps for sure. It looks like a private road to someone's house or something. Yeah.
Freedom Beach, baby. This trail to Freedom Beach was a little longer than expected, but it was really cool walking through the forest. They also have these ropes for you to hold on the way down because some of these parts get quite steep, and I'm in flip-flops, so...
We're pretty close. I think probably 20 meters.
Go over this shady bridge here. Hey, little one. No pets today. I've got to say, even after all the stuff we went through to get to Freedom Beach, it has definitely been worth it because, wow, this beach is amazing. If you are in Phuket, I think this is one of the only beaches you should prioritize on your trip to Phuket because, as we said earlier, there's not really a road to get here, just very gravelly, and you do have to go down a bit of a 10-minute trail to get here. But when you do arrive, you are absolutely rewarded with this fantastic beach, perfect size, perfect amount of people. And just behind me, there's also a little beach bar. So we will be grabbing some beers pretty soon. Give us the lowdown on that water.
It's beautiful. I mean, this is a stunning beach. But man, ocean plastics. Listen up, peeps, we got to sort it out.
There's some plastic in there?
Yeah, it's everywhere. everywhere in Asia. Like, this is pretty good. There's not a lot here, but you just go swimming around and you just see piece after piece. Yeah, it's a real shame.
Was it worth the 1,000 baht?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it's a nice walk down, picturesque place, refreshing swim.
So you paid $30 to visit this beach.
When you put it like that, it sounds like a ripoff. But yeah, I would.
All right, time for me to test out these waters. I've got to say, as nice as it was going in that water is quite filthy. I hadn't been in such polluted water in a long time, so while you're swimming you can kind of feel the plastic bits going around you, and it's not that nice. So I'm gonna need a nice cold beer to refresh me from that. Still a great time here at Freedom Beach, but be aware, the water is quite rocky and plasticky. Yeah.
My favorite type of dog,
Yeah.
beach dog. It's sort of halfway between wild and domesticated. He almost bit me before. It's like, yeah, good. I shouldn't have snuck up on you. You're right. Keeps you honest with the relationship, you know? Like, they're not so needy like a baby.
Yeah.
Like, he doesn't need me.
He's all right on his own.
Yeah, he doesn't need anyone. He's a beach dog.
After soaking up the sun at Freedom Beach, I started craving some island life. And what better place to find that than Phi Phi, one of the most famous islands around. Is it the perfect island getaway for you? Click on that video and let's find out together. I'll see you right over there in 3, 2, 1...